It is a pleasure to see you again on my CryptoQ Media channel. So, what's in store for XRP holders in the days ahead? How long till the third quarter report is released? Also, what is Ripple's current holding percent for XRP? I plan to analyze some of the key events taking place right now and look at a price prediction for November. It would be wise for you to view the whole video. Please subscribe and like if you would want daily posts regarding the cryptocurrency market and strategies to profit from the current bull run. So, without further ado, let's watch the video. Now we know what Ripple got up to in its third quarter report. Regarding the essence of what is contained, yesterday we touched on the subject briefly but not in depth. Having said that, I felt the study was interesting overall. A few things stood out to me, and I applauded their determination that XRP is not a security. This perplexes many people. Litigation between the SEC and XRP has only ever arisen from secondary sales. The amount the SEC can claim on those secondary sales is what matters, not whether it is a security or not. Anything might happen in the next 2 days to change that. If a different president is elected, Gary Gensler may not have a job anymore. Perhaps he will resign, and the SEC will then have a director who is supportive of cryptocurrency. Perhaps this is a sign of things to come for the market and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. What does it look like in Ripple, and how much are they? Their financial snapshot shows that they have 4.6 billion XRP on hand as of June 30, 2024. They have 4.4,000,038,000,000 XRP as of September 30, 2024, based on the ledger research. As a result, the value of XRP decreases. That is not due to the fact that it has been completely ineffective. Some were donated on top of what Chris Larsen and Carl Harris had already raised. It may not be the biggest drop ever recorded, but it is still a decrease. Furthermore, XRP is a cryptocurrency that has no inflationary effects. That is something that many people forget. This deflationary coin is important, even though it isn't the biggest. Our current situation, as well as our recent history, is what I would call an XRPL build-out. We talked about how the current AM initiative is vital and how it can grow into related financial domains, become a real use case, and become a desired destination, all while increasing market liquidity. Additional construction has begun. This is really insane. This could turn out to be a really good thing. Due to their exceptional capabilities in handling feeds and data across the blockchain, Oracle systems are being examined for the project I'm involved with. Still, we're here, on XRPL, talking about the same thing. The XRP price when new asset pairs are added to the XRP ledger, smart contracts that are created on top of it will have access to Oracle's price data for those assets. Out of nowhere, the XRPL transforms into a massive data warehouse that, according to the XRPL, can be mined for all the pieces of the Bitcoin ecosystem. The Oracle price modification is now online, thanks to the integration of Band Protocol and DIA data. Secure real-time data, critical DeFi features like the AM and lending protocols are supplied by XRPL native oracles, which is a significant advancement for institutional-grade DeFi. You may get data in real time thanks to these loan protocols that are built with XRPL smart contracts. Who needs the most up-to-date and precise pricing? The financial markets exist for that same purpose. Its integration with and ability to access decentralized apps is what really sets it apart. There was zero movement on the blockchain. A lot more is on the way for XRPL, but connecting real-world data to the offered blockchain technology, smart contracts, is a major leap forward. In addition, I foresee XRPL smart contracts being implemented on a massive scale. The DeFi and meme coin areas are only the beginning. I expect to see much more of it in the future. As a result, the bullish feeling surrounding XRPL continues. You may argue that the pricing will probably stay the same. An altcoin expert has predicted a rise of 870% for XRP and set a sensible price objective, notwithstanding Bitcoin's tumultuous last 2 days. Let's move beyond the range of 51 to 53 cents. With Bitcoin's continued ascent and overall market movement, we're talking about a market worth $6 or $7 trillion. But what does he consider to be a fair objective for us to strive toward? In reality, we're circling about the 115 to 130 mark. That seems pretty gloomy for Bitcoin to me, but how does it affect XRP when we take it into account? Alright, so this is definitely within the realm of possibility, and we could see 5 or possibly more. In fact, reaching 5 would represent an increase of 876%. Some might think that 2 bits is absolutely crazy. The price will increase due to the large amount of money that will be streaming in. It can be accomplished with the help of a single large institutional fund, such as a pension fund or bank. Every one of us is flawless, in my opinion. Keeping my fingers crossed for it. Take a look at the price movement. Consistently trading inside this zone, remaining stable near the 50-cent mark today as we approach the election in less than 48 hours, as expected. For my satisfaction to be met, it must begin to push up. Obviously, we would like to fix our short-term issue of continually printing lower lows. We are still seeing this bottom line as support, not resistance, even if this is a small-scale fall. That occurred in a few places, but we need a consistent uptrend. We will watch how it turns out. The release of 70 million XRP coins is imminent. The result of that matter will be observed. I pray that we can go forward now that everything is secure. Furthermore, the SEC case might conclude in less than 2 days if everything works out as planned. Would a president-elect in the future simply brush it off? I would say it is quite probable. Appreciating my video is a privilege. Click the subscribe button and then tell me what you think when you're done.